Hello and welcome back to another Geek Panda Tech unboxing and first impressions video. Today I have the Kingbox digital music player, so your good old classic MP3 player, that also does voice recording as well. And just before I get into this video, I'd like to say a really big thank you to everybody that's supporting and watching my videos on YouTube. And if you guys are enjoying them, please leave a comment on the video. It really helps me out. Let me know what kind of content you enjoy watching, and anything that you'd like to see me change or add, and just please let me know. It's been really fun so far, so without further ado, let's go into the video. So we've got the basic box here, and I've just slid this out just because it was a little bit hard to get out the top of the box without damaging it too much. Pretty basic on the back of the box. Tells you that it supports high quality MP3, WMA, WAV and FLAC. The menu is easy to use apparently. Recording there, and battery says that it's a long time playing. Storage 32 gigabytes. Quite small these days, but for just an MP3 player maybe it's okay. So yeah, pretty nifty box there. Anyway, let's get it out. So this is actually a round MP3 player, which I think is quite cool. It also it almost looks like a little pocket watch as soon as you get it out, with a little lanyard there. So it's got this quite small round design with nice rounded edges front and the back. So you've got your charging, micro USB there, AUX input there, microphone just at the bottom there as well. And if you look at the back, it tells you as well what these are. So that's forward, play, back, and power. So let's just pop that on, see if there's any charge, and then we'll look what else is in the box. So no headphones with this one, just your normal charging micro USB, and your pretty hefty instruction manual there. I'm assuming that's in several languages. Yes, so English right at the end. English. So yeah, a quick insight to the MP3 player itself. It does support picture browsing and video playback. Obviously, I wouldn't recommend this device for those kind of purposes, but it's nice to know that it does support it. Some information on how to copy your songs over, functional operation instructions, so on and so forth. Cool. So I hope that kind of gives you a bit of an insight to the player itself. Let's have a quick look. So you've got your time there. Is this touchscreen? I can't remember. No, I don't think so. So I think this cost about £30. So there you just use the power and the play button there. Oh, that's a weird look at my mouth there. Artists, albums, genres. I think it might have something already on there. There we go. All Rise by Blue. So yeah, there is speakers just at the top there. Anyway, I will stop that because I don't want any copyrighted things on my video. But these were two songs already on the actual MP3 player itself. So yeah, battery's full. Let me just see, does this support? Oh, bit weird there, like pressing the buttons with the way I was holding it. So, oh, wrong button. A little bit fiddly with the buttons on either side there. Trying to remember which one's which. Please wait. So I'd just like to see if it will work with Bluetooth headphones. So I've just got a pair here. Put that connected to my phone. Let's just see if I can quickly disconnect these from my phone here. There we go, that should work. And let's go back, search for device. So yeah, I assume these will work with Bluetooth headphones as well, which is quite nice because this is quite a small MP3 player that's you know, it will slot quite nicely into your pocket. I think it is nice that they include this lanyard as well. Looks like it just, yeah, unscrews from that point there. So yeah, you could just have it around your neck and have that dangling down. I'm not sure if I'm connecting to the right thing here, so I'm just going to stop that. So yeah, I hope this is a little bit of an insight to this MP3 player. I'm just going to see, it's not very easy to pick up on the video, but where I'm looking at it, not in the video, it looks really dark. So I'm just going to see if there's a setting to make it any brighter. Display settings, brightness. So it is all the way up. So, I mean, it doesn't look too bad on the video, but I don't know if you can see. I don't think you can quite see how. Let's take that off and see if it doesn't make that much of a difference. So as you can see, the screen is really reflective as well. That's really showing off the back of my phone quite a lot there. Let's give you one last look around the device itself before I just finish the video. I think it's quite cool. I think it's quite small. It's different. I've not seen an MP3 player like this before. So yeah, there'll be a link down in the description, and there'll be a link to the other MP3 players that I've also unboxed and had a. So yeah, thank you very much, and catch you in the next one.
Audio Jungle.